role of a veterinary technician. Mostly, the role of a veterinary technician is a challenging career and a very enjoyable, rewarding career. Did you know that the average household has 62% beloved dogs and only 32% average cats? And also, it's interesting to know that 97% of all the pets owned, they think they are part of the family as a human member. The role of veterinary tech is advocate animal well-being, to handle pain management, networking, and also laboratory work and tech expertise. The presentation covers 3 areas: clinical care, diagnostic science, and networking. The clinical care includes assisting in surgery, diagnostic lab work, and also networking. And I have a demonstration of an animal hospital where you can kind of get an idea of what it's like to work in an animal hospital.
And this is the hospital that I work at. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a tour. This is the front area where the animals can come in, and then we have a couple of exam rooms where animals can come in, just like at the doctor's office, and have a checkup. So here's one here. There's things that we use over here to check eyes and ears. We have some medications and lots of cookies to give the animals, because they like to have cookies when they come to the doctor's office. And then we come to the back. This is the back part of the hospital. We have lots of medications to make the animals better from various things like coughing or sneezing. And we have several more, checkup rooms in here. We have an area especially for cats in this room here, because cats like to be a little bit on their own. They don't like to be stressed at the hospital, so we try and keep the lights low and make it nice and comfortable for them. This area right here is our lab. So we pull blood samples from dogs and cats and bunny rabbits and other animals that come here, and we run tests on them to make sure that they're healthy. We also have a vaccine fridge, because we vaccinate animals for diseases, just like you guys get vaccinated as well when you're in school. And then this area over here is our dental area, just like going to the dentist. We have an x-ray machine in the corner here. We have a cleaning machine here. And then we have other machines here to keep the animals healthy and safe while they're having their teeth cleaned. This is an area, another where we keep the animals. And then we move over here, and we have dog kennels. So when the dogs come to stay with us for the day, they have a nice place to stay.
And then, because the video is a little bit longer, I'm going to stop it there and then tell you more about it. That it covers a surgery area where they have surgery area. They have radiology, and where they take x-rays and ultrasounds, and that probably includes the rest of it. And that's very challenging, taking radiology with animals and intubating them and putting them on for surgery is very challenging and exciting. And also networking is very important. Networking, you can go to seminars, you can go to conventions to network to get a job. A lot of them are not advertised. And also you can network with other people and find out through vet hospitals if there's a position open, because it's a good way to find out if there's jobs is through networking. And also, the best way to get a job for being a vet assistant, the best way for a lucrative income is to go to a college and get a 2-year associate's degree, which is what I did. I went to St. Petersburg College in Florida, and then I've worked at UNC in laboratory animal medicine, which was very interesting and was a very good job. And I worked at Duke University in research, which is a very good job working at a facility at a hospital or universities. Get paid very well. And I've worked at vet hospitals in Chapel Hill, and I've worked at animal shelters, and animal shelters is a very good job. I help with getting animals adopted, and that's a very rewarding job. And there's so much potential working with a degree in veterinary assistant. You can also pursue your degree and go to a 4-year degree in biology and work more in research and work at a pharmaceutical company. You can work at maybe the vet school, is which I'm interested in doing, and getting a degree in biomedical research and getting a degree in working in research and laboratory work and working with animals at the vet school is what I'm kind of interested in pursuing. There's so much you can do with the degree. There's so many options. And also with the degree, it's rewarding because it's so satisfying to help an animal that is sick and see them get better. And also, you can do, there's so much more with the degree.